am available for all sort of MyLab courses, MS Excel, MS Word, MS PowerPoint, MS Access Mathematics, Accounting and Statistics, Problems Solved.
Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session we are taking Excel chapter 4 grader mid-level 1 EBL supporting code. I will guide you through this video step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your project by watching this video. I can do all online courses: MyLab Accounting, MyLab Finance, MyLab Excel, MyLab Word, MyLab PowerPoint, Economics, Statistics, Writing, English, Math courses, Writing courses, Java, C++, Python, Nursing, Medical, and many more online courses. Please reach me out on my WhatsApp and email. I will do your course with A+ grade. I will do your all simulation training, all assignments project, all simulation exam, midterm exam, and final exam. I am also handling many courses on MyLab Pearson, MyLab Pearson, San Engagement Tab, MC Grahil, Simnet, Blackboards, and many more colleges and universities. Okay, my WhatsApp and email are given in the description. You can easily contact me on my WhatsApp and email. Okay, both are given in the description and shown in the bottom of the screen. You can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. Let's start our assignment to solve it step by step. We will go to the MyLab Pearson, go to the Excel chapter 4 greater mid-level 1 EBL supporting, click on start button. I will download this file and then I will start my assignment. Is here. Okay, I have downloaded this file in my PC folder. We will click on enable editing button. Okay, the title of assignment is that Exp25 Excel chapter 4 ML1 EBL supporting code instructions document. We will have to focus on the title of assignment. You can see this title of assignment, and here is the project description. You can see your project description to get ready about your project. Now I am going to increase the font size of this file first for a proper view. Go to the home tab and then increase font size. Then I will start my assignment. Okay, now I will start my assignment. Please follow my video. I will do this assignment step by step. You can follow my video and you can done your assignment by watching this video. And if you do not able to do this assignment, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. I will do this complete assignment for you with A+ grade. Okay, assignment is, the title of assignment is given. You can see Exp25 Excel chapter 4 EBL supporting codes, and I am going to move on question number 1. The question number 1 is that start Excel, download and open the file name Exp25 Excel chapter 4 inventory. Greater is automatically added your last name to the beginning of file name. Basically, in this question, we will have to download Excel workbook from Pearson EDLab dashboard. I have also downloaded this file from a Pearson portal. You can see now I am opening my Excel workbook. You can download this file easily from your Pearson portal. Click on enable editing button. Now I will start my assignment. Please follow and you can done your assignment. Question number 2 is that freeze the top row so that column labels do not scroll off screen. Okay, we will select first row, top row 1 selected. Go to the view tab. In the window group, click on freeze pane button and then click on freeze top row button. Okay, top row will be frozen. Now I am going to do question number 3. The question number 3 is that convert the data to a table and name the table inventory 2024. Okay, we will go to our Excel workbook and in the go to the insert tab and then go to the insert tab. In the tables group, click on table button and then click on OK. Data will be converted into a table, and then go to the table design tab. In the properties group, in the table box, we will tap inventory 2024. Now I am going to do next question, question number 4. The question number 4 is that okay, now I am going to do next question is question number 4. I have done 3 questions of this assignment so far. The question number 4 is that apply light green table style light 18 to your table. We will go to the table style and go to the table style medium group light 18 table style. Okay, table style light 18. Okay, I have applied this style. Now I am going to do question number 5. Question number 5 is that sort the table by warehouse A to Z, then by unit price, smallest to largest, and then department, create a custom sort order for department so that is display in this sequence: training, athletics, apparel, footwear, fitness, outdoor gear, and toys. Okay, question number 5 is that sort the table by warehouse A to Z. We will click on warehouse table, go to the home tab. Okay, go to the home tab. In the editing group, click on sort and filter button, click on custom sort button, and then we will click on add label warehouse A to Z. Okay, warehouse A to Z, then unit price smallest to largest. Then we will have to add a second label, click on add label button, and then we'll add a second label warehouse unit price smallest to largest. Then we will have to add a third label, then by department, create a custom sort order for department so that it display in the sequence. Okay, we will add a third label is department, click on arrow, we will click on department will be selected, we will click on custom list list will be selected. Okay, training, athletic apparel, footwear, fitness, outdoor gear, and toys. You can see this. I have applied this. Click on OK button, then click on again OK button. Table will be sorted. Now I am going to do next question. The next question is that question number 6. Okay, question number 6 is that remove duplicates record from this table. Excel should find and remove one duplicates record. Basically, in this question, we will go to our Excel workbook and then we will remove duplicates record in this table. You can see this question. Now I am going to do my Excel workbook. Then I will remove duplicates record. Go to the table design tab. In the table design tab, in the tools group, click on remove duplication button. Duplicates button. Click on OK. One duplicate value found and removed. 78 unique value remain. Click on OK button. This question is done now. Now I am going to do next question is question number 7. I have done 6 questions of this assignment right now. Now I am going to do question number 7 of this assignment. The question number 7 is that create an unqualified structure. Total question is 12. Now I am going to do question number 7. Create an unqualified structure. Reference is in column G to determine the value of inventory on hand. To calculate the inventory on hand, multiply the unit price and amount on hand. You can see this. I have highlighted and I have read it. Please follow my video. If you do not able to do this assignment, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. I will do this complete assignment for you with A+ grade, and I will do this complete course for you with A+ grade. I will handle your complete course. You will be free from this course. I will do your art simulation training, simulation exam, assignments, and final exam and midterm exam. Okay, the first point of this question is that create an unqualified structure. Reference column G to determine the value of the inventory on hand. To calculate the inventory on hand, multiply the unit price and then amount on hand. Multiply the unit price and amount on hand to calculate the inventory on hand. Okay, we will go to the column G and then we will enter a unqualified structure formula. Okay, now I am going to Excel workbook, click on column G. To calculate the inventory on hand, multiply the unit price and amount on hand. First we will select amount, multiply by unit price enter is equal to in column G unit price, and then multiplying by amount on hand. Press multiplying and then amount on hand, then press enter. It will find inventory value in column G. You can see the formula is that unit price multiplying by amount on hand, then press enter. Okay, now I am going to do next question is that question number 8. I have done 7 questions of this assignment right now. Now I am going to do question number 8. Apply a total row to the inventory 2024 table. Set the amount on hand to average. Format the result to display with 2 decimal. Okay, apply a total row to the inventory 2024 table. Set the amount on hand to average. Format the result to display with 2 decimal points. Okay. Apply a total to the 2021 table. Basically in this question we will apply a total row. We will go to our Excel workbook and then go to the table design tab, and then in the tools group, table style options group, click on total row checkbox, and then set the amount on hand to average. We will set the amount on hand to average. We will click on amount on hand column and then right click on this and then set average. Okay, the next is that format the result to display with 2 decimal points. We will select this result and then format this result with 2 decimal points. Go to the home tab in the number group and then apply 2 decimal places, decrease decimal places, only 2 decimal places. You know what is decimal places? The decimal if it has 2 decimal places after point, okay, you can see 2 digit. If it's 3 decimal places, we will enter 3 digits here. Now you can see I have done 90% of this assignment. Okay, I have done 80. I just show you 8 to 7 to 8 question, but I have done this complete assignment. I did not show you complete assignment because it's paid. If you need complete solution of this assignment, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. I will do this complete assignment for you. I will provide you A+ grade in this assignment, and if you need help in this course, I will handle your complete course with A+ grade. I will do your all simulation, all assignments, midterm exam and final exam. I can do all online courses. My lab accounting, my lab finance, my lab Word, my lab Excel, my lab and statistics, economics, Java, C++, many more courses. If you need help in any course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the screen. Thanks for watching my video. Now I am submitting this file. I have done this complete assignment. I just show you 7 questions. If you need complete solution, you can contact me. I will do this complete assignment for you with A+ grade. Now I have to save this file. Okay, chapter 2 on desktop. Okay, and save. Now I will upload. You can see this. I have done this complete assignment. You can focus on my PC screen. I just show you 7 to 8 questions, but I have done this complete assignment. I did not show complete. If you need complete solution, then you can contact me. I will do this complete assignment for you with A+ grade. Okay, we will click on upload. We will upload our file, then I will show my grade. Click on upload button. Click on continue button. You can see I have got 97 point out of 100. If you need this assignment or if you want to deal for this course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the screen. Please reach me out. I will handle your complete course. I will do this assignment for you with A+ grade, and I will do this complete course for you with A+ grade. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. Best of luck to my students. Thank you so much.